it's cold again because I've traveled far. I apparently still keep a lot of junk here. That's a stop. Stop. Children. So things. This isn't mine, belongs to a friend. This isn't mine, I sold it to a friend, but yet it's still here. And that is mine. It was given to me for the price of free. The price was right. And today we're gonna start all three of these things. Let's say stop two. Your S's are backwards, dude. So things that will start. This, very likely, most likely to start, I think. Will probably start. Thunderbird SC. Thing's taking a beating. That might start. This is a whole nother matter. Where are you? Alright, the gas is who knows how old. Battery, I bought that new. It's good. No shorts, that's good. Carb, yeah, there's that gas. It looks like gas still, I guess. Got some of that. Manual choke. I think it was electric. Yeah, it was electric at one point, but now we're solidly manual. Alright. Is it 69? Yeah, 69 Datsun. Oh. This hasn't been started since I did the ride-along video. It's a request to see my feet, so we're going to do that. Get the keys for this thing. Yeah, some signs of life there. It says we got oil, ignition, etc. Pull the choke. We're going to go full choke here. Apparently, key knife's no good. It requires a 2019 Tundra key. That's not promising. Maybe a little bit less choke, I suppose. There's like no throttle intervention. Alright, like that. Let me cut this a little bit. Grease. Ooh, Johnson's for boats. Give us a little motivation. Or a lot of it. Alright. A little less choke. More liquid encouragement.